All right, Terry, so thanks for coming in. Today we're going to go over your annual review. I know this is your second year with the company, and we had some high points and some other points that we may need to delve a little deeper in. I'm going to go through each part of the evaluation. If you have any questions, just let me know. All right, so part one for design and quality. We gave you an exceeds expectations. Your first, second, and third quarter team leaders all commented on how well your designs ended up turning out. So great job there. Go ahead and continue to do the great work. The second part is going to be efficiency, and this we gave you a needs improvement in. So it was noted during Terry's first quarter assignments that Terry was able to complete his assigned tasks, although there were areas that required adjustments, which pushed the project right up against the deadline. These concerns were noted again in his second and third quarter assignments, as it was reported that Terry did not always respond quickly to emails, which could have put the project deadlines at risk. Concerns in this area were documented again during his fourth quarter assignment, where Terry had numerous errors that had to be fixed, which caused the project to be completed past its due date. Terry must pace himself during these projects and communicate properly with the team leaders to ensure timelines are met and that all work is completed to expectation. All right. The next topic we're going to discuss is communication, which we gave you a meets expectation in. So everyone has commended you on your easygoing attitude. You appear to be easy to work with. You listen to team members, and you even offer ideas for improvement on projects. So great job there. Technical readiness. We gave you a needs improvement here. So during your second and third quarter projects, it was noted that Terry seemed to be familiar with most types of software, but that you were not proficient with the Acme software system. This was a finding during your first annual review, so again, we were expecting to see some improvement there this year, and we didn't. Adaptability and versatility. We gave you an exceeds expectation here. Your versatility and adaptability were well commended during your first and second quarter team projects. This improved the ease with which the projects were completed, and these traits help improve the workplace culture and morality. So again, good job. Next one we're going to go over is attention to detail. We gave you a needs improvement in this area again. So Terry's lack of attention to detail has been documented by team leads that you've worked with. Commending these discrepancies have cost the company time, money, and resources, as well as threatening the completion of projects by their due date. Extensive format changes had to be made to one of your projects due to the lack of paying attention to detail. Terry must improve in this area in order to maintain his reputation for quality work and to ensure that all projects are completed in a professional manner. The next one we're going to go over is responsibility and commitment. So this one we give you a meets expectations. It appears that you take a lot of pride in your ability to create and execute impressive designs. So good job there. Attendance, we give you meet expectations. There were no concerns noted by any of the project managers in regards to your attendance this year. For initiative, we give you an exceeds expectation. It's noted that you contribute ideas on how to improve projects that you're working on. The team leaders find this to be very helpful in ensuring the success of the team. And you've also displayed a willingness to participate in team meetings, which shows that you are interested in the project and you're committed to its success. Adherence to policy. So we gave you meet expectations. You work in a manner that ensures work conduct policies and procedures are followed appropriately. The next one is leading. Right now, you're just working as a line staff employee until we improve some of your areas. So that one's not applicable for us. Okay. The next part is accomplishments and new abilities that you've demonstrated since your last review. So during the last evaluation, it was noted that you were only proficient in basic design developments. However, we have seen a growth in this talent to the extent that teams are specifically requesting you by name. With the exception of the Acme software programs, team leaders have commended you on your competency in other software programs. You've also shown an improvement in your attendance from your last evaluation. The specific areas of improvement that are needed is definitely your attention to detail. And we are going to recommend that you go through Acme software training, an error management seminar, and a cost of poor quality seminar, as well as leadership training courses, so that we can promote you to a leadership position when you're ready. So overall, we gave you a meets expectations. Overall, you are an asset to the team and you work well with peers from other departments. You display strong design talents and you handle pressure well. You do show your weaknesses and your ability to turn error-free work. Your projects tend to require quite a bit of revision, which again costs the company money and resources. You also need to improve your proficiency with the Acme software. However, overall, you're performing well, and you will become a top performer once you grow stronger in the areas of improvement. Do you have any questions?
Yeah, number 2 on efficiency. There were just some issues with some last-minute rush designs. Just customers needing complex designs kicked back quickly, and to get them done on the timeline, the process, it wasn't as fast as they would like.
Sure. And I can understand your concern there, but we also need to make sure that we are watching our errors. So sometimes you might need a second set of eyes to come behind you and just reevaluate the work that you've put in. Or perhaps talk to your team lead and make sure that your team leader and you have proper communication about what the client is looking for. Sometimes those little details get lost in translation, but they can make a big difference overall.
Okay, I'll remember that.
All right. Thanks so much, Terry.
Thank you.